Hello, I'm back, and today I'm gonna show you how to make crinkles, okay? One of my husband's favorite. Okay, so here I have here flour, okay? I hope you can see what I'm doing. So, the ingredients, the recipe, okay, you can find it under my video. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop, okay, some flour, okay, and I'm gonna measure it, okay, and I will pass it through the strainer, okay. Baking powder, salt, okay. We will sift the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. Set this aside, and here's my other bowl. Cocoa powder, sugar, okay, gonna strain it again, okay, vanilla, we'll add the oil, okay. We will add the eggs one by one. Add the dried ingredients. Now I'm gonna cover it with plastic, and I'm gonna cool it in the fridge, okay, for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, now I'm gonna form it into a round shape. Okay. Okay, there you are. Then I'm gonna only have to. Then here, okay. And I'm gonna place it here, okay? This is the icing sugar, okay? Now, I have to shape it into circle, okay? Nice circle, okay? Now, I'm gonna bake it, okay? I will bake it to 10 to 12 minutes, okay? So that is my crinkles. Just leave it cool for 25 minutes.
Ja, zo wil je dat veranderen. En ik denk dat je die alleen hebt kunnen winnen.